What's up and welcome to another DIY video. In this one I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to transform this 3D printed piece into an LED glasses. This was actually a small commission by an event organizer. They asked to make me this thing because they're working on a promotional video for an event that they're working on, and I decided, like, yeah, they gave me a few of them, let's use one to make a DIY video for you. So yeah, my name is Joshua, Studjo Infinity. Welcome to the channel. Let's get started. So here we have everything that we need to build this. Of course, we have our 3D printed shape right here. We have a power supply. You could replace this, of course, with a battery pack, but it's for a one-time use. Then we have, of course, an LED controller, some cable. We have our beautiful little LED strip laying ready here. We have some bolts to fixate our plexi mirror, which is just 1 millimeter left over from another project. So perfect to use for something like this. Let me show you. So first things first, we're just gonna make the mirror first to go inside our little frame here. I already pre-drilled some holes on each side so that I can just fixate it with some bolts very easy. And yeah, because this is a plexi mirror, this goes quite easy into the shape here. We just attach it like this, leave some marks, and then we're gonna cut it. So we're going to be painting this in gold. Now, when you're painting gold, it's always a good little trick to paint it red first as a base coat. It just gives it a little bit more depth. Let's go. Yeah, just a reminder, this is for a photo shoot and a promotional video. Be aware you cannot see through this mirror, so if you make one and if you have an accident, it's not my fault that you ran into a wall or any object. And of course the cable isn't very hidden, but again, it's a photo shoot, promotional video, they're gonna edit that out. I just hope maybe this inspired someone to make something else. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this little project. And yeah, let me show you with the lights off. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment what you thought about this little project here. If you want to see more DIY, LED, soldering projects like this, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.